Now we already create the login button so the user can log in, but we have to create the logout button, and we also want to add a welcome message so the user login will see the welcome message. So how to do it is to go to import the use Moralis. We copy the use Moralis from react Moralis, and then we paste to the index.js, and then we want to call the hook. So we use the authenticate, the is authenticate, and also the logout. So we copy and paste to here, and then at here we want to create a condition and set is if authenticated, and then we want to show the welcome message. Otherwise, we want to show the login component. And now we want to create a welcome message, and then we type div welcome, and then class name is equal to px10 py3 and then bg white 1 lg, and then flash column. And then we also add the button, and for example we copy this button and we back to here and paste to replace this button. And now we want to change the word to logout, and also we want to type a emoji, and then we save it. And then now we go to here and log in with our Metamask. And then if we click on this and then connect, and click sign, now it will go to the welcome message, but we forgot to add the logout functions, so we have to add the logout function. And we also have to change this to class name. So at here we type on click is equal to logout. So we save it. Now if we click on this logout, you can see it back to the login page. If we click on the login, it will go to the Metamask and click sign, and we will back to the welcome message.